We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. That's all from the power company.
Huh?
I think that's all from when the power company came.
Yeah.
And trimmed our big tree. So now this is clear back here, except for that. The power company came and took a lot off this tree because it was getting too close to their power line. So our big tree shrunk that day. And then I don't know if the wind was a storm, I don't know what happened, but part of this right up here broke off, and that's part of what he drug over there. But I think more of this is going to come off. So I don't know, maybe our big tree's on its way out. I don't know for sure. And you know, when we first got the property, it was such a disaster back here. It really looked like this was one tree. Oops, sorry. It really looked like this was one tree, and then when we cleaned it up, we found out it was actually two. So I don't know if one would do better without the other, but this one is just so pretty, even though they've hacked it up. Yeah, we've trimmed low-hanging branches off of it and such, but it's just massive. And in the summertime, this whole area back here is just shaded, so it's nice. It's just a nice, cool space back here with good grass. So we'd like to leave it, but this one we've trimmed up, and it looks pretty good actually. Its shape and everything looks pretty good. This one's just wild and crazy. I guess that's part of why I like it. Sawzall.
A longer blade.
Sawzall.
Okay, so are we good?
No, I would get that one off there too.
Which one?
That one's right there for you. Yeah, there's no purpose in the tree. Since you're cutting. Go as low as you can. I wouldn't go that low through the damage. Yeah, that would be it.
Hold on to it.
That's better there with the big tree. And then this tree is not an issue whatsoever. And then here we are at the corner. Yeah.
See?
Look at that.
This is what they all grow up into.
Yeah, look at that. And it will go through you. Through you.
Through you.
Every tree, with the exception of the fruit trees and the oak trees. Every tree we have is like that.
Yeah.
Spike, eh? Just because all the tree situation, we're going to put another post here because that one really didn't get to be where it was supposed to be because of the tree. So we'll put another one here. And then with the corner and these two, nothing's going to come through where the trees are. And then it's every 10 foot down this way. So I think it's all right. If need be, we can always add another one, I guess. Alright, we have a full roll attached to the other end, and it comes to right about there. And then we have this short roll, and we're going to see if it's long enough to go from there to the corner. And if it's not, we have another partial roll over there by the cart. So that's what we're up to right now. Okay, a recap of today. We trimmed up that tree so we could get the fence in behind it. And then, gotta get rid of all the branches. Brought the rolls of fencing over. And we have the shorter one that we had to work in behind all that. On this side, and it ends right there. And then from that point, all the way up to where the dogs are is the other roll, which is a full roll. And the camera's not focusing because it's almost dark. But all we have to do tomorrow then is come down here, stretch it at that point where the two pieces come together and join it, and then attach it to all the posts. And we will have a fence then running from that side of our property across at the 5-acre mark, and then from the 5-acre mark all the way to the front, all the way across the front, and then all the way across at the 2-acre. So the only portion we'll have to deal with then would be from the front to the 5-acre on that side. And we're saving the worst for last. And there's Mr. MacArthurson. I'm headed up to feed everybody. So Aragorn just came back and told me that it's his dinner time, that he's over there with Lance. I was headed up to feed everybody. And now Arthur's here. Hi, Arthur. Arthur, are you ready for dinner? You ready for dinner? All right. We will resume tomorrow.